One day, Little Hedgehog saw a sweater. "Please make one for me," he asked Tailor Owl. I'm afraid I can't," said Tailor Owl. "Your spikes will break it." Little Hedgehog felt sad. He paused and thought. "Wait," he said. "What if the sweater had many small holes?" "My spikes can go through," he said. "Oh, that might work," said Tailor Owl. So he measured the spikes. Then he started to knit. Soon, the sweater was ready. Little Hedgehog put it on carefully. It looked great. Can you think of a clever idea? Like and follow.